Hey guys, welcome back to Streets Bio Simplified. Today we are going to take a look on morphology of flowering plants. In this chapter, you must remember plants under certain topics such as plants belonging to groups having superior ovary and the plants belonging to perigynous and epigynous flowers. Um, then you must remember some general points about this topic. Today we are going to take a set of 20 questions. Okay, let's get started. Which of the following is the endospermic seed? Option A bean, option B gram, option C pea, option D castor. Endospermic seeds are those that have endosperm in the mature seeds. It is fleshy, oily, surrounds the embryo and functions as the sole food storage organ. Generally, monocot plants have endospermic seeds, so the right option is D. Castor. Next one. The morphological nature of the edible part of coconut is option A. Cotyledon, option B. Endosperm, option C. Pericarp, option D. Perisperm. Option B. Endosperm is the correct option for this question. Okay, next one. In apple, the edible portion is option A mesocarp, option B epicarp, option C endocarp, option D thalamus. While you are handling these type of questions, make sure you know each and every part of the layers of a fruit. It makes easier to solve these type of questions. In this question, since apple is a false fruit developed from thalamus along with the ovary, the edible portion of apple is fleshy thalamus. So the right option is D thalamus. Next one, the pattern of arrangement of leaves on the stem is known as option A heterophyly, option B phylloclade, option C phyllotaxy, option D phylloclade. Option C phyllotaxy is the correct option. Phyllo refers to leaves, taxonomy or taxi refers to arrangements. Next one, the leaves of Utricularia plant are modified into option A hooks, option B tendrils, option C bladders, option D pitches. Option C is the right one for this question. Okay, next one. Largest flower is option A Rafflesia, option B lotus, option C rose, option D lily. Rafflesia is a total root parasite. The flower of Rafflesia is the largest in the world, which is about 11 kg in weight and with a diameter of about 1 meter. So option A Rafflesia is the right option. Next one, following pair represents insectivorous plants. Option A pitcher plant, Australian acacia. Option B Venus flytrap Calotropis. Option C pitcher plant Venus flytrap. Option D silk cotton neem. Easy question, and the right option for the question is C pitcher plant Venus flytrap. Next one, leaves become modified into spines in option A opuntia, option B pea, option C onion, option D silk cotton. Leaves are modified into spines in opuntia so as to reduce the surface area and minimize rate of water loss by evaporation and transpiration. So option A opuntia is the correct option. Okay, next question. A drupe develops in option A mango, option B wheat, option C pea, option B tomato. Option A mango is the correct option. Okay, next question. Which of the following is not a part of leaf? Option A pedicel, option B leaf base, option C petiole, option D lamina. Major leaf parts are leaf base, petiole and lamina. So option A pedicel is the odd one out here. Next question. When both essential floral organs, that is stamens and carpels, are present in a flower, the flower is called option A bisexual, option B neuter, option C andromonaceous, option D heteromerous. Option A bisexual That is, androecium and gynoecium are present in the same flower. Next question. Fruit of Mangifera indica is option A berry, option B drupe, option C capsule, option D silicote. Option B drupe is the right answer for this question. Next one. Which of the following statements is correct? Option A. The seed in grasses is not endospermic. Option B. Mango is a parthenocarpic fruit. Option C. A proteinaceous alluron layer is present in maize grain. Option D. Sterile pistil is called as staminode. Option A. No, grasses are endospermic. And option B. Mango is a seeded fruit. And option D. A sterile pistil is called pistillode and a sterile stamen is called staminode. So options A, B are incorrect, while option C is the only right option given here. Okay, next question. Mark the incorrect match. Option A, stilt root, maize and sugar cane. Option B, pneumatophores. Option C, lamina, leaf blade. Option D, sterile stamen, pistillode. We dealt this option in the previous question, so option D is the correct option. Next question. Twisted estivation is found in all except option A, cotton, option B, China rose, option C, lady's finger, option D, gulmohar. Option D is the right answer. Next question. Match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct options. Here I will direct the answer straight away. Option A, storage of food, goes with salmon can, and option B, tendrils, goes with watermelon. C, thorns, goes with bougainvillea. Option D, phyloclade, goes with opuntia. Option E, cladud, goes with ruscus. So option A is the right one to match all these columns. Next one, the term polyadelphous is related to option A, gynoecium, option B, androecium, option C, corolla, option D, calyx. Polyadelphous condition represents cohesion of stamens. In this condition, stamens of a flower are fused by their filaments only to form many groups. Example, citrus. So options B, androecium is the correct option for this question, polyadelphous. Next question. Identify the incorrect statement. Option A, lateral buds of stem give rise to flower. Option B, parval has reproductive roots. Option C, the spongy tissue of epiphytic root is called velamen. Option D, floating roots of castor contain chlorophyll. So option D is the incorrect statement. So option D is the incorrect statement. Okay. So the next question. The cells of the region of meristematic activity are option A, large thick walled and with a dense cytoplasm. Option B, very small thin walled and with a sparse cytoplasm. Option C, very large thin walled and with no cytoplasm. Option D, very small thin walled and with a dense cytoplasm. The cells of meristematic region have very high power of division. These cells are very small, thin walled and with a dense cytoplasm. They are actively dividing cells with continuously operating cell cycle. So D is the correct option. Okay, next question. Stem cuttings are commonly used for the propagation of option A, banana, option B, rose, option C, mango, option D, cotton. A very easy question. So option B, rose is the correct one. So that's it for the day, guys. Hope you guys learned something. Bye guys, happy learning. Stay tuned.